In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all Google Chrome bookmarks. Before we start, keep in mind that once you remove your bookmarks, they're gone for good, especially if Chrome is syncing across your devices. So if there's anything you might want later, consider exporting or saving it somewhere else first. Let's begin inside Google Chrome on your computer. At the top right corner of the browser window, you'll see the three vertical dots. This is often called the menu or overflow menu. Go ahead and click that. This menu is where Chrome keeps most of its tools and settings, and it's where you'll find the options for managing your bookmarks. From this menu, move your mouse down to the option labeled Bookmarks and Lists. When you hover over it, a side menu will open. In that side menu, look for Bookmark Manager and click it. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also open the Bookmark Manager directly by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and O together on Windows or Command, Shift, and O on a Mac. The Bookmark Manager will open in a new tab and show you all your bookmarks, organized by folder. Now we're going to select everything so we can delete it quickly. In the main list, click once on the first bookmark to highlight it. With that first bookmark selected, press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac. This tells Chrome to select all the bookmarks in that current folder. You should see everything in that list become highlighted. If for some reason you don't want to use the shortcut, you can also click the first bookmark, then hold the Shift key and click the last bookmark in the list. That will select the entire range from the first to the last. Once all your bookmarks in that folder are selected, look towards the top of the Bookmark Manager. You'll see a Delete option appear in the toolbar. Click Delete, and Chrome will remove all of the selected bookmarks from that folder. You'll need to repeat this for any other bookmark folders, such as Other Bookmarks or any custom folders you've created. Just click each folder on the left sidebar, select all the bookmarks inside using the same method, and click Delete again. Work your way through each folder until there are no bookmarks left. When you're done, you've successfully cleared all of your Google Chrome bookmarks.